Bus, again heading into a fancy set of wheels as usual.
Of course, always.
Well, I've got something fancier than you this time. Check out my new set of kicks. They can
Wow,
go
what's
off-road
so
better than
special about this?
Well, they are actually set for pressure, so these are exactly 20 psi. You're probably wondering what I mean by 20 psi on a shoe like this. But then, these are not your regular kets. They are actually purpose-built running shoes which support the curvature of the foot and absorb impact. This visible air pocket you see on the Nike Air Max highlights the precise amount of air pressure the outsole holds to, cushion life's blows. Or in this case, let's just say what the Indian roads throw at you.
Wow. But those 2 feet and going through all the potholes and breaking your back and running around on those, nah. I think you need to check out the world of 4 wheels and how well it does in this urban jungle. Come on.
I've heard enough of
Now
this.
I
Do I have
want
to do
you
this
captive.
again?
Come on.
Oh, God.
While you're enjoying the comforts of this car, I'm going to drive you to where we normally shoot, which is quite way out. And don't worry about any of the roads and bad roads that you see coming at your way, because we can tackle them with complete ease because of that little badge you saw up front.
You mean you trust this little compact SUV with all the bad roads thrown at it?
Well, Quattro's been around since the 80s, and do you know how many rallies it helped them win? Why worry?
All right, but do you think it can also tackle the rally of the urban jungle?
Completely. Just sit back and relax.
Let's see what it can do.
Well, just like the soles of your shoes, the Quattro system ensures that the car has the correct levels of grip no matter the weather or the road condition. This system splits power amongst all 4 wheels dynamically depending on which wheel needs the most traction. The Quattro system also allows the car to be more fuel efficient for everyday driving and yet more capable when the going gets tough. Every car is different, so the system also varies in the way it functions based on the car it's in. Okay, now that you're done with all of that and you're completely convinced that it can handle any kind of jungle, urban or otherwise, are you ready for something quite reverse, a nice, serene, calm ride as much as we can get?
Absolutely, honestly, I could use some fresh air with all the dusting that my lungs have taken today.
Just so many demands in life, yeah, all the time. Bus, I want this, I need that.
Oh,
Can it do this? Will it do that? Yeah, of course, fresh air on demand.
You do have a solution for my lungs and you fix them, but can you find a solution for my kidneys as well?
I knew you'd have to hawk one of them to get that new phone. See, this is the problem with your life. But my life has a solution for everything. Of course, there's a place for it. The little phone box.
Oh, interesting.
And I'm telling you about it not only because it stores your phone, but because it will help you boost your signal as well while the phone is there.
Is that what the little shark fin antenna does at the back?
Absolutely.
I thought it was just to scare swimmers away.
I did tell you the car can go anywhere, but I'm not sure about the ocean.
You never know what tech can do these days.
Seriously.
So this little compact SUV seems to have the right amount of tech and just the right amount of size for the urban jungle, right?
I think so. I just love the little touches on the inside as well, that retractable MMI screen. I've got every possible feature that I want out of a car. And it's not only that, it's the way that it just tackles this, like you said, urban jungle of ours, which pretty much feels like being out in a real jungle. The roads are so bad, it feels like off-roading pretty much all the time, yeah.
Just like what my sneakers can handle here.
We're back to showing off about our tech, are we? It just never ends. Wait, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. I still have more.